guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is on how to protect yourself from becoming the next cyber victim. It's easier than you think. Cybercrime is a criminal activity that targets your computer or network devices. The goal of cybercriminals is to steal money. Whatever the reason, cybercriminals can't touch the personal data on your computer and network devices. Here are 7 ways to protect yourself against cybercrime. Number 1. Keep your operating system and software updated. It may seem like you just updated them, but the latest updates contain security patches and bug fixes. But the previous update did not think about it this way. Number 2. Use antivirus software. This allows you to scan, detect and remove threats before you become a victim. And as always, keep your antivirus updated for the best level of protection. Number 3. Never underestimate the power of a strong password. We know it's a pain to think of a password number that contains the right amount of uppercases and lowercase letters and special characters. Make use of a highly rated password manager that generates strong random passwords and keep them safely locked away. Number 4. Never open attachments or click on links in spam or emails from people you don't know. This could expose your computer or computer network to danger such as malware, which comes in a variety of forms. Trojans are malicious code designed to steal, disrupt or damage. Data phishing is a fraudulent message designed to trick a person into revealing information such as account numbers and passwords. Ransomware is a malware that locks up your data or device and holds it for ransom until you pay to have it unlocked. DDoS or distributed denial of service is a network attack that floods a website or a server to prevent real users from using it. Number 5. Never give out personal information over the phone or via email unless you are certain the line or email is secure. If you are asked for personal information from a company who has contacted you, even if it's about employment, hang up the call. The number on the official website to ensure you are communicating with them and not a cybercriminal. It's best to use a different phone because cybercriminals can hold the line open when they do this. Number 6. Look before you click on a URL, and links are meant to entice you to click on that, so you must be extra cautious if the URL looks unfamiliar or looks spammy. Once you have landed on a suspicious site, your computer or device could be susceptible to malware. Number 7. Protect your bank account by making online purchases only through secure websites. Don't forget to check your bank statements for unfamiliar activity that may be fraudulent. You can protect yourself from cybercrime by using comprehensive internet security systems that instantly neutralizes dangers with proactive real-time monitoring. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.